Is my ads actually working on Amazon? I have just put all the keywords, but I'm not sure whether it's working or not. This is what is a major problem that I hear from many sellers. Hey everyone, I'm Niveda Muralidhan here, founder of Newgen Max and Niveda E Academy. I've trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce business. And in this video, I'm going to share you how you can do a basic check of the ads, which is a very, very basic thing in Amazon PPC. Now, many people just run their ads. It can be an automatic ad or manual ad, but they don't do come and check it in front end. Sellercentral.amazon.in is back end. Amazon.in is front end. Consider that I'm selling charcoal soap and I have put a keyword in my listing as charcoal soap. It is really important for you to first come and understand whether the keyword is working for your product or not. See, I'm going to come here to Amazon and enter charcoal soap. Once I enter here, this charcoal soap keyword is used by Dettol. So Dettol have used this particular keyword so that they are coming the sponsored brand ads and sponsored product ads. So all these brands are bidding for the particular keyword. So it is really important for me to come in these first few pages. Obviously, if your bid value is higher only, you will be coming in the first few pages. If the bid value is low, you won't be coming in the first few pages. So now what you can do is that come and see in the first three pages whether your product is coming or not. If your brand name is Newgen, I'll come here and search it as Newgen. In case your not product is not coming in the first three pages, that means you have put a keyword and that is not competitive enough to rank in the first three pages. So in that case, increase your bid value and then test it out after few hours. This is a very, very basic check in Amazon PPC because people put the keywords and people will be like, I don't even have impressions of it. I don't even have clicks on it. So it is not necessary impression is not there because a few people will be like, okay, I'm putting a non-relevant keyword. I'm putting a generic keyword or I'm putting a long tail keyword like this. You can have n number of reasons. But one basic reason is that we are not putting the exact bid value that the keyword demands. We are putting a very minimal bid value. And in case your product is not coming in the first three pages, it is time for you to take an action by increasing a bid value and keeping a test of it. Without this, if you are going to say my ads is not working, my ads is not getting any sort of impression, then that means we are not testing it properly. So always whatever you do at the back end, please make sure and then test it in the front end once. This is a very, very basic thumb rule of Amazon PPC ads. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you're subscribing to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. And what are the other topics that you want to see in my YouTube channel? Please mention in the comment box. Like the video, share the video. Thank you. See you in another interesting topic.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe New Gen Max Digital Solution.